Morning student, today we will do exercise 6a of chapter 6th, which is practical geometry. So we will discuss these questions today. So let's discuss the first question. Okay, so student, your first question is you need to draw the quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is given 4.2 centimeter, BC is given 4.8, CD 6.3, AD 3.1 and this diagonal BD 6.7. Remember one thing, when you are drawing the rough diagram, this is your first step, you draw the rough diagram. तो always कंटिन्यू रखना है ABCD लाइक दिस, ये नहीं Z नहीं बनाना, ABCD ऐसे नहीं करना. अंडरस्टूड माय पॉइंट. AB या तो इसको क्लॉकवाइज रखना है या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रखना है. ABCD ऐसे नहीं करना. अंडरस्टूड. तो ऐसे बना के तो जो साइड है वो शो कर दो. नाउ स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बेस कितना है 4.2. सो टेक अ स्केल एंड ड्रॉ द 4.2 स्ट्रेट लाइन 4.1 एंड 2. ये 4.2 होगी लाइन. रिप्रेजेंट इट एज AB. नाउ look at the figure, you have given BD diagonal and AD. So take a compass and open the AD is 3.1. So open the compass 3.1 like this. 3.1 पे रख के इसको 0 पे रख के 3.1. तो ये आपकी 3.1 आर्क ओपन होगी एंड मेक एन आर्क लाइक दिस, क्योंकि हमें पता नहीं है कि वो D पॉइंट कहाँ है. So now you will have a diagonal BD 6.7. Now open the 6.5, 6.6, 7. 6.7 open करो arc from the compass like this, and then from the B point make an arc 6.7. ये देखो इसको कट करके नहीं जा रही, ध्यान से देखो इसको कट करके नहीं जा रही. तो आपने दोनों को ऐसे करना है कि दोनों इंटरसेक्ट करें. तो अब नहीं कर रही तो 3.1 को आप इंटरसेक्ट करो दोबारा. So take a 3.1 again and from A point intersect the 6.7 arc. Now intersect होगी, so it means this is your D point. क्योंकि ये डिस्टेंस आपका B से 6.7 आएगा. ओके, बिकॉज दिस इज सर्कुलर डिस्टेंस ना, तो ये हमेशा इक्वल आता है. तो दिस इज द D पॉइंट. तो मेक एन लाइन विच इज automatically 6.7 will come, and this is AD 8.3.1 sorry, this is, and join the A and D side by side. Write down the steps of construction. Okay, now open the BC 4.8 from your scale. So 4.8 is there, open it, make an arc 4.8. So from here B make an arc 4.8. Understood? From B make an arc 4.8. Now from DC is given 6.3. So from D open the 6.3 arc like this. Okay, now from D point make another arc which intersect this BC arc. So this is your C point. Now join the BC and CD. Join the BC and CD. Remember one thing, your pencil must be sharp when you are doing the questions of your construction. This is 4.8 centimeter, this is 6.7, this is 4.2, this is 6.3. You can also check after doing the question. Yes, it is exactly 6.3. This is exactly 4.8. Okay, so it means our answer is correct. So now you will write down the steps of construction. These are the steps of construction. After doing the construction, you need to write down the steps as you have drawn. First step was draw a base AB, because you have done this first. AB is equal to 4.2 centimeter. After that, from with center A, we have taken arc of 3.1. So write down, draw an arc of 3.1 centimeter of radius, and also from B, draw another arc of 6.57 centimeter of radius. Now what you have done? You have joined AD and BD. So join AD and BD. Now next step is with the center B. With the center B, draw an arc of 4.8. Draw an arc of 4.8 centimeter. Okay. And with center D, you have done, draw an arc of 6.3 centimeter of radius and cut the arc of 4.8 centimeter, so that you can get the point C. Now join the BC and CD. After joining, you will get the required ABCD quadrilateral. So you need to write down the steps of construction in each and every question. Okay everyone? Okay students, let us discuss the fifth question. It is given that, is it possible to construct the triangle ABCD having sides ABC 5.6, BC 3.1 and sides are given. Now you have done one property that in triangle, if two sides, the sum of two sides must be greater than the third side, then it is possible to make the triangle. But in look clearly, AB plus BC 5.6 plus 3.1 is not equal, or you can say is less than 11 centimeter AC. See, add karo 7, 8. 8.7 is less than 11 centimeter. It must be greater. So it is not possible. वैसे भी अगर आप ड्रॉ करके देखोगे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल ड्रॉ 5.6. 5.6 ड्रॉ करो तो ये 5.6 ड्रॉ होगी. डन. नाउ यू विल ड्रॉ 3.1. सो 3.1 आप इससे करोगे आर्क से, तो ये आर्क आपस में कट ही नहीं करेगी. आर्क आपस में कट ही नहीं करेगी. नेक्स्ट है 11 सेंटीमीटर. तो 11 सेंटीमीटर की आर्क ओपन करके अगर आप जब इसको देखोगे, आर्क लगाओगे, तो ये कभी कट ही नहीं करेगी आपस में. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. अंडरस्टूड? ओके बच्चे, नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस द 6B एक्सरसाइज in which your first question is construct a quadrilateral rows. Okay, quadrilateral rows in which RO is 7, make it as a base. Okay, OS is 3.5, RE is 6 and diagonal RS, this is 7.5. OE diagonal. So you have two diagonals are given, but that this side is not given. Okay, now how to make it? You have two triangles. So simple hai, base is given, so take a scale and draw the base 7 centimeter. So draw the base 7 centimeter, mark it as RO, name it 7 centimeter. Now take a compass and open the arc 3.5, because this is OS is 3.5. Open arc 3.5 and make an arc like this. Now to make this triangle, first make an arc. Now open with the center R, open an arc of 7.5 and cut this another arc. You get the point S. Now join OS and RS. Done. This is label it as 7.5 and 3.5. Now make the another triangle REO. Okay, with the radius R, and make a 6 centimeter arc from R. So make an arc 6 centimeter. Now you have OE is 7.8. Now open the 7.8 from with center O, cut the another arc. You get the point E. Okay. Now join RE and OE. These are the diagonals. This OE is a diagonal. Now simply join S and E from the top. You get the required quadrilateral rows, ROSE. Label whatever the things are given. 6 centimeter diagonals. This is 7.8 centimeter. This is your required answer. Now see the other questions. All questions are same as first question. So try it yourself. Okay बच्चे? So thank you.